Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys a few of my favorite random things that I've been loving basically. So it's not going to be like just all makeup or all fashion stuff. It's gonna, like I said, it's going to be random stuff. So I have a couple of makeup related stuff and I have some mommy/baby stuff that I've been loving, because if you guys didn't know, I did give birth on March 6th to my beautiful baby girl Cadence. I'm not gonna bring her on camera just yet because she's asleep right now. So if you guys want to know what my current favorite items or current favorite random things are, then just keep on watching. So the first thing I want to mention, and I've already mentioned them before so many times on my channel, this UpBra. I truly love their bra. They're so comfortable, and they just came out with a new style, which is my favorite out of all of the ones that they have. I'm wearing the ones right now. It's called the t-shirt bra, and they're just so freaking comfy. They give your cleavage a nice lift to them, whether you have big boobs or small boobs. So before I got pregnant, obviously I had size B's. They were just full B's, and a lot of people think that I had fake boobs. It's just a bra, you guys. If you have the right bra to push your cleavage up and make them look fake, then you know, a lot of people thought that I got like breast augmentation done and I didn't want to admit it, blah blah blah, all this stuff. But no, I've never had my boobs done. Right now they're big because obviously they have milk in them, but you guys know, if you're a mommy, your boobs droop down low because they're so heavy with the milk that they're not even nice and perky anymore like pre-pregnancy. But yeah, this bra just really helped me, you know, push the girls up and make them look nice. I like your titties. Okay, babe, thank you. So currently right now, since I have mommy boobies, my size for the UpBras are 36D. So this style right here is called the Stay Up. They also come in 3 or 4 different colors. I know I have a red one, I have white, black, and a nude. This one is basically a strapless bra, but it does come with the straps. They ship them in this little bag for you guys, so you have an option to wear the strap. These are not like your regular bras. It has 4 little clasps right here. Over here it has this, like, I hope the camera is picking it up, like these little heart patterns. These little things help the bra stick to your boobs so it doesn't like move around. And then also it has these little like clasps that are adjustable, so if you want your boobs to, or your cleavage to show more, and you know, cleavage to be closer together, obviously you just want to adjust these little things to be further apart, so it'll pull the bra in more and pull your boobs in more. I'm gonna show you guys a before and after clip just so you know that it is definitely the bra that's giving me this nice cleavage. Other than that, my boobs are big, but they are drooping down low. They're sad boobies right now. So if you are interested in purchasing these UpBras, I do have a $10 off coupon code for you guys, and I will leave that down here. Also down in the description box below, I will also leave the link where you can purchase these UpBras. Moving on to the next item. This is one of the mommy baby items that I was talking about. I hope I can fit it in this in the screen, but it is the DockATot. This DockATot right here. So thank you so much to DockATot for sending this to me. They reached out to me and they wanted to send it over to me, and I was like, yes, please. If you guys have never heard of DockATot before, it's basically like a co-sleeper. So you can put your baby in here and have her sleep on the bed or wherever you're going. I like to take it with me when I go to like a relative's house, and I don't just want to put her like say on their couch or on their bed or whatever. I like to just have this around, this DockATot around with me, just to put her on there, just because I know that it's secure. Like this part will protect her from rolling over or moving around too much, you know. so I know my baby is safe and sound while she's asleep. So DockATot also have some cover, so you could replace this cover right here. I got one in a pink color. This is the cover that I got in this nice pink color. And yeah, so just in case, you know, baby poops on it, pees on it, you can go ahead and change it up, put that one in the wash, and put the new one on. So again, thank you so much to DockATot for sending these over to me. Cadence have been loving this DockATot, and I've been loving it as well. And it's super cute. Like, I really love the color schemes that they have on there. Okay, so another mommy baby thing that I've been loving is this boppy pillow. This thing is such a lifesaver, you guys. At first I had trouble breastfeeding. I didn't know like what position would be good, and especially if you guys, you know, I had a C-section, so it was hard for me to move around, and it was just difficult for me to breastfeed for the first few days. I just couldn't find the right position that I really love. Like, it was hard laying down, it was hard sitting up. I couldn't even sit up all the way because my scar was hurting. I decided to get myself a boppy pillow. I mean, everybody says that a boppy pillow is super useful, like all over YouTube. Everyone's like, pack a boppy pillow for the hospital, blah blah blah. I was like, no, I feel like breastfeeding should be something that comes naturally. You don't need a pillow to help you out, blah blah blah. But I was wrong. The boppy pillow was so freaking helpful, especially because I had my C-section. It was just so painful, like I said, and the boppy pillow really helped me just, you know, like have a comfortable, like what is it called, like a comfortable position to breastfeed my baby. So those are the only two mommy baby things that I have been loving lately. If there's any more, I will definitely share more in the future videos. But now moving on to the makeup. So I want to first mention this gift box from my lash box. So this comes free whenever you purchase 3 or more pairs of lashes. So you basically can pick whatever lash you want to fill this up with. Moving on to this Soft Glam palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I've been using this non-stop. I can't put it down. Yeah, the colors are just so beautiful. This is like my everyday colors basically. Yeah, you have all your browns, your rosy tones, and basically everything you need in a palette. And then of course, along with that, the Amrezy highlighter. You guys, if you have not tried this, please do yourself a favor and try it. Like, this highlight is so blinding, so wet looking on the skin. It's beautiful. I don't have it on right now just because I did a makeup tutorial using another brand, but this baby is beautiful. Definitely get it if you haven't. And yeah, so that's basically all that I have for my favorite random things that I currently love. I hope you guys enjoyed this type of video. I don't want to just keep it like all makeup, you know, makeup and everything makeup videos on my channel. I know I'm a makeup channel, but obviously now that I'm a mommy, I want to include some mommy stuff in here. I hope it's helpful for, you know, you guys out there who are a mommy or a soon-to-be mommy. But yeah, let me know if you guys want to see what I packed in my hospital bag for Cadence. Let me know what other videos you guys want to see on my channel. I would love to, like I said, include more of mommy baby stuff. I am a new mom, so I am learning along the way. I'm not saying everything I'm doing is right or is the right way, but I hope you know, I can share these few things that help me out with you guys, so maybe these can help you out too. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, and if you haven't yet, be sure to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a video. And also, if you guys, you know, I do have a family vlog channel where you'll be seeing my husband and my daughter and my dog slash son. So yeah, if you're interested in following me and my life and my family, then definitely subscribe to Meet the Pangs. I will leave the link down below as well. Thank you so much again for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.